Here I am, the moderator of Group 5, who will present about medical equipment, medical instrument, and hospital room. Here I will introduce the group members in the presentation. Number 1, Fetty Wulan Yuliarti, NIM 4. Number 2, Alifi Kodrunada, NIM 8. Number 3, Wisnu Alyuda Nugraha, NIM 11. Number 4, Amelia Citra Wardani, NIM 30. Number 5, Arneta Arlin Maulidi, NIM 19. Number 6, Adisti Ayu Frenita, NIM 25. The material that will be discussion is number 1, Ferros Kamar for CAP. Number 2, ICU, defibrillator. Number 3, pharmacy, mortar. Number 4, laboratory room, suite. Number 5, radiology room, CT scan. Number 6, orthopedic X-ray.
Ferlos Kamar. Number 1, definition, function. Ferlos Kamar is a service unit in the hospital that functions as a 24-hour labor and delivery room. Number 2, the maternity ward is a place of service at the hospital which has plans for activities and action to serve panties who will give birth. Help with childbirth in this room. There are 3 action bed and 1 observation bed. Forceps definition. Forceps is a tool that serves to assist the doctor in removing the baby from the uterus. Description. It resembles a pen of rat sponge used to clamp the baby's hand and remove the baby from the mother vagina. Function. The tool is to facilitate the process of normal labor, which is as long as the mother is still experiencing uterine contraction.
ICU, Intensive Care Unit. Definition: the ICU, Intensive Care Unit, is a special room provided by the hospital to treat pain with conditions that require close supervision. Description: this room is equipped with specialist medical equipment used to support the pain treatment and recovery process. Function: a special room provided by the hospital to treat pain with conditions that require close supervision. Next, defibrillator. Definition: a defibrillator is a heart rate simulator that uses high-volt electric to restore cardiac arrest victim. Description: defibrillator works by sending electrical signal to the patient's heart to restore an abnormal heartbeat. Function: a device to deliver an electric shock with the aim of restoring the rhythm of the heartbeat to normal in pain with heart failure.
Hello, my name is Wisnu Alyuda Nugraha, NIM 21300222011. Pharmacy. Definisi: hospital pharmacy is a unit or section that organizes pharmaceutical activities in hospital, led and driven by a pharmacy. Deskripsi: the pharmacy room is part of the hospital building as a pharmaceutical service facility that must exist in all hospital class. Function: reviewing patient medication or prescription instruction, monitoring the effectiveness and safety of the use of drugs and medical devices, providing drug information service to patient or family. Mortar. Definisi: Mortar than medicine pounding tools is a tool used to pound or grind medicine to make pulver-shaped medicine. Description: this mortar is commonly used in pharmacy, health center, clinic, or hospital. This drug measure is shaped like a white round bowl made of porcelain. Function: the function of the mortar is to smooth the test samples in the laboratory. This tool can also be used to mix several ingredients together by pounding them together.
Laboratory room description. The laboratory room is one of the installations in the hospital which is a support service which is to help diagnose a disease so that doctor can treat a disease precisely, quickly, and accurately. Next description: health service facilities that carry out measurement, determination, and tests to determine the types of disease, cause of disease, and health condition. Next function: disease functions contribute to disease diagnosis, patient care, and public health. Here are key functions of a health laboratory room. Disease diagnosis. Health laboratory are core of diagnosis, first disease and medical condition. Clinic testing of patient samples, such as blood, urine, and tissue. Healthcare professional identification the presence of pathogens, abnormalities, or markers indicative of species disease. Next slide. Syringe definition. A syringe is a medical instrument that consists of a cylindrical barrel, a plunger, and a needle. It is commonly used for injecting fluid into or withdrawing fluids from the body. Syringe is a simple piston pump to inject or suck liquid or gas. Syringe description. Syringe is a simple piston pump consisting of a plunger that fits thinly cylindrical tap. It is a medical instrument used for various purposes, primarily for administering fluids into the body or extracting fluids from it. Syringes are available in various sizes, ranging from small insulin syringes for precise dosage to syringes used for medical procedures such as intramuscular injection or blood draw. The design and material used is syringe purity safety and ease of as in medical application. Syringe function. Syringe serve several important functions, primarily in the medical and healthcare field. The main function of syringes include drug administration. Syringes are widely used to administer medication, lotion, and other substances directly into the body. This can be done drug versus drug, include intravenous, intramuscular substance, and intradermal injection. Blood collection. Syringes are also used for blood collection, especially in situations where a vacuum tube system is not applicable. A healthcare professional can use a syringe to draw blood for various diagnostic tests. It's important to note the syringe come in different tips and sizes. designed for specific purpose. Healthcare professionals follow strict protocol and ensure the safe and effective use of series in various medical procedure. Thank you. Next slide.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Arneta Arlin Maulidi, NIM 19. I'm gonna explain about the radiology room. Number 1. Radiology room is one of the medical support facilities that provide X-ray examination service with the result of the examination in the form of photos that can help doctor in treating patient and determining patient diagnosis. 2. Has a variety of radiology equipment has support in diagnosing a disease. And number 3, the function of the radiology room is to facilitate coordination between doctor and the radiology department in the context of handling hospital patients. Next, I'm gonna to explain the CT scan tool. Definition. CT scan is a medical examination procedure that uses a combination of X-ray technology and specialized computer system to produce image of organ, bones, and soft tissues in the body. CT scan uses a computer and rotating X-ray machine to create cross-sectional image of the body. CT scan produce detailed three-dimensional image of organ and soft tissues. Function CT scan: determining the location of tumors, infection, or blood clots as part of procedures such as surgery, biopsy, and radiation therapy. Detect and monitor disease conditions such as cancer, heart disease, lung nodules, and liver masses.
And next I will explain about orthopedic room. The orthopedic room is a room that specifically handles patients who experience pain in the bones, muscles, and even joints. And the orthopedic suite is a medical specialty that focuses on treating patients with bone deformities, disorders of the bones, joints, and muscles. And last function of orthopedic room to treat musculoskeletal problems that affect the bones, joints, and muscle usually caused by accident, injuries, or chronic conditions. And the next about X-ray, definition of X-ray. X-rays are a form of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths ranging from 10 nanometers to 100 picometers. X-rays are commonly used in medical image diagnosis and X-ray crystallography. Next, X-ray examination is one of the supporting examination for establishing a diagnosis in addition to laboratory examinations. This method is used to look at bones and joints and detect problems that occur in soft tissues such as internal organs. And last, about problems that may be detected during an X-ray include fracture, dental problems such as loose teeth and tooth abscess, scoliosis, non-carious lung problems, and dysphagia. And last, heart problems, breast cancer.
That's all for the presentation for our group. Thank you.